Hey, what's up? And welcome back to another very exciting tutorial. Today, we're going to take a look at the shatter effect in After Effects. Not only that, we're also going to combine shatter with some other effects to achieve these amazing final results. So stick around until the end. Okay, now let's go. First, create a new composition and name it Shatter. Import any image you want, but it needs to be transparent. Pre-compose it so we can easily change the image if needed. Now, apply the shatter effect to the pre-comp. Next, we need to change some settings. Change the view to rendered and go to shape to change the pattern. There are a lot of patterns available. Try a few and check the preview. That looks amazing, right? For this tutorial, we are going to select the glass pattern. As you can see, the effect is applied to the entire composition, or in other words, the full image, but we need to target a specific portion of it. To achieve this, create a new solid layer and give it a name. I'm going to call it Mask. Apply the fill effect and select white as the color. Hide the layer so we can see our targeted image. Now, create a mask on the specific area where you want to apply the shatter effect. Select the pre-comp layer, go to Gradient, Gradient Layer, Mask, and change the source to Effects and Masks. Change the shatter threshold value to 1%. Now, as you can see, the effect is applied only to the masked area. Increase the repetitions value to create more broken pieces, and change the extrusion value to adjust the thickness. We can also move the origin target to change where the shatter starts. Adjust these settings according to your liking. The lighting on the broken pieces doesn't match the original image, so let's adjust some settings. Set the light intensity to 0.3. Increase the ambient light value to 0.8. And change the light depth value to 0. Now, let's check how our shatter effect looks so far. By default, the broken pieces fall down, but we can adjust that. Go to the Physics tab and set gravity to 0 if you don't want them to fall. Now, the broken pieces will move upward instead. Change the rotation value to 0.3. Set the tumble axis to XZ. Increase randomness to 0.2 and set viscosity to 0.5. Lowering the viscosity value will make the broken pieces move faster and farther, while increasing it will make them move slower, like in slow motion. Now, let's add keyframes. Go to the Force 1 tab and add a keyframe to the radius. By adjusting keyframes, we can control when the shatter happens. Since we applied the effect to a mask, we can change the mask's position, and the broken pieces will adjust accordingly. Now, let's add some smaller pieces. Duplicate the pre-comp layer in the timeline, go to Shape, and increase the repetitions value. Set extrusion depth to 0. Increase randomness to 0.5. Set viscosity to 0.6. And change the strength to 4. That's it, guys. Our dynamic shatter effect is ready. I call it dynamic because we have applied it on a mask. If we change the mask or create multiple masks, it follows the mask shape and position. We can also replace the image, and the effect will automatically apply to the new image. To replace the image, select it in the timeline. Go to the project panel, hold down the Alt key, and drag the new image onto the composition timeline. Now check the effect. You can also add more masks if needed. Before we end this video, I want to show you another amazing result we can achieve. Bring in a new image and replace the old one. Apply a mask to it. Create a solid layer and name it Saber. Hide the layer and apply a mask to it. Now apply the custom Saber effect we have created in our Saber effect video. Adjust the keyframes so that when the saber touches the object, it shatters. For the final result, let's add a wiggle effect to create a camera shake. Create an adjustment layer and add the wiggle position effect. Add keyframes to wiggle speed and wiggle amount. Set the first keyframe to 0. Adjust the middle keyframes according to your liking, and set the last keyframe back to 0. Position the keyframes in the timeline so the shake happens right when the shatter effect occurs. We can achieve amazing results with these effects. I'm just showing you the way. The only limit is your imagination. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Cheers!